Today we're going to build out the mailing list feature. The mailing list feature is a great way to collect contact information from your app users and steadily build out your subscriber list. Paired with push notifications, this feature helps you get the most out of your app's marketing capabilities. Probably is one of the more versatile features in regards to all the industries that it covers, but for restaurants, retail, or service providers, this is a big plus. In this case, I'm going to use it for the real estate feature. One thing that we know is that real estate agents have to spend a lot of money to get clients on as actual customers. So if we can reduce the cost of them getting contact information or lead information, this is a great way to do it. As you can see, I've set my mailing list up feature already and called it Sign Up. I've already added my feature icon too. With this particular feature, why it becomes so valuable is because of the different monetization options here. For new subscribers, that equals new revenue opportunities. So the more you grow that list, the more this feature really serves your business, as well as pairing somebody signing up and giving you their email. Send them out an individual push notification that says, thank you so much for signing up. And that little bit of just pairing that personalized message really brings a lot of gusto to your application and keeps people engaged. Sometimes it's the little touches that matter. So you can see up here in the screen info section, this is where you can change the name of your particular application or modify the feature icon. In this case, I really like the sign up name as well as the little human with the plus button. Under settings, there is a prompt option. So you can prompt users to join your mailing list when they first launch your app. This is a great way to just automatically turn on, hey, go ahead and give us your email address. We'd really like that. In that case, I'm going to turn that on because I really like that option. Now, in the newsletter section, this is where we describe what the user is going to get by signing up for our mailing list. In this instance, signing up for the mailing list to get exclusive updates, special offers, and much more on homes around your area, I think is a really great description. Now, there's a certain character limit, but with that being said, I've never seen a description that's never not been enough. So make sure you're short and concise and you're showing the user exactly what you want them to accomplish by signing up for the email list. And then as you can see here, I can add a little thumbnail, which will be displayed right here in that little circle up at the top. So I'm going to add this little house because I like that a lot. I'm going to hit the save button here. Now you'll notice that this sign up feature shows in the app previewer really simple and easy to use. We ask for their name, their email, which is required, the birthday, zip code, what country they're from, and any comments that they have, and then we give them the option to join. Now, another real cool thing that we can do is we can add different subscriptions. This is really great if you have different marketing channels. So in real estate, I may want to say, hey, I want to have somebody sign up, but I want to give them the option to only sign up for their particular market. So I'm going to add a subscription, and I'm going to do it for La Jolla. And then I'm going to add another subscription, and I'm going to say this is for Pacific Beach. And now when I hit save and when I go to sign up, you'll see here at the bottom that I can turn on subscriptions for La Jolla and Pacific Beach. So I, as the user, can already tell you, the business, what I want to receive email notifications for, which is really great. This feature is really versatile, folks, and it definitely is a feature that should be a given for every single app that you set up. Thank you so much.